This is Cody, and Cody loves the iPad, and he likes to go surfing on the web and get some. He's so awesome, this. Oh my god. Oh boy, that is the best article ever. He really wishes he could just click on something. This is the best website. He's trying to make it. Oh, he's back again. He got it. He got it. Oh, he's biting it. He's trying to scroll. It's not working. He really wishes he could just use his tongue. That screen doesn't work too good with his tongue. Oh, it worked pretty good. He can really swag it. It's awesome. It's the best thing ever. Oh, now you're going to type. Oh, he's typing. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Oh, boy, oh, boy. He can't find the app. He's looking for it and not on there. He really wishes the app was right there. You have to bite it a little bit. If you lick it, it really helps. You see? Oh. That's an angry. Oh, he You just wait for it. You wait for it to come up. Ah, he's getting. Oh, he cannot find the app. Oh, there it is. He found the app. Oh, he's got it.
Oh my gosh!
Can you
click play?